What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Spunk Mods. Alright, so you ever have those screws that are really hard to get to that you can't fit the screwdriver in? Well, I have this is a dashboard we're trying to get out. I have the best way now, very easy, less time consuming. All you need is a hammer and a big screwdriver. What you want to do is just aim, put it here.
Eye protection?
No, don't really need the eye protection.
Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes, you know. Whereas this now is very fixable. You just put some clear coating over it and you will not see the hole anymore. Alright, there we go. One hole. Alright, second hole. Now what we're doing is we're putting this through. Second one.
Be careful with the... You can cut it to the grinder if
And there we go.
Now let's see if that was needed.
So easy to remove a speaker. Have anything like this, you just now spray with a little bit of clear coat and you will not see it anymore.
Hey Javas.
Brand new.
Javas, you done that all?